Hey there everyone. Today I'm going to be walking you through a quick tutorial on how to add custom tokens to your MetaMask wallet so that you can store them, transact, and access them all from a single spot and get started with your journey into DeFi. Before I begin, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe for future content as it really helps me out. Okay, step one. Let's open up your MetaMask wallet in your browser extension. So I'm just going to expand the view, and you'll notice that the default setting is for the Ethereum network. So we're going to take a look at adding custom tokens that are on the Ethereum network, in this case, an ERC20 token. So we're going to click Import Tokens at the bottom of your balances. And there's going to be two primary ways to search and add custom tokens to your wallet. The first is actually called search. And to do this, simply type in the name of the project or the ticker. In this case, we're going to look for Maker, the governance token of the Maker DAO and Maker protocol. So as we'll see, Maker, ticker MKR, select it, click Next, and we'll see that everything is correct. Now that we've confirmed that, we'll click Import Tokens, and we've successfully added it to our MetaMask wallet. Let's just click back to our main wallet screen, and it has been added. Perfect. So now let's go back to import tokens, and this time we're going to add a custom token. In this case, we're going to look for Uniswap, the ticker UNI. So for this, I generally recommend going to CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, or CoinPaprika to obtain the contract address in a safe and secure way, since all the information was submitted through a lengthy application process. So I'm just going over to CoinMarketCap, and you'll see that I've already searched for Uniswap. You'll be able to find all contract addresses right under contracts. So just copy the address, and now we will enter it into the token contract address. The token symbol and ticker will show up automatically, and then we're going to click Add Custom Token. You'll see there's zero balance, and it's the correct ticker. So now click Import Tokens. So let's just click back to our MetaMask wallet, and we'll see that it was successfully added. So you're generally going to be adding a custom token for smaller projects or newer tokens that you can't find in the search function. So it's important to always have custom token on hand, just in case. One other way, in case you can't find the contract address for the token that you're looking for in CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, or CoinPaprika, this is typically with a lot of tokens in DeFi that have just been created and are just trading on platforms like SushiSwap or Uniswap, is you can go to the public blockchain explorer for that specific blockchain. So in this case, we're looking for Etherscan because Maker and Uniswap are based on the Ethereum network. So let's just head over and let's type in Maker. So here we'll see Maker, ticker MKR, and you'll be able to find the contract address under profile summary or contract. Just keep in mind that there are a lot of scam tokens out there and phishing attempts. So when you type in the project in the search bar of the Open Blockchain Explorer, you really need to cross your T's and dot your I's to make sure that you're choosing the right project, the correct project that's not going to scam you. So as you'll see, we'll copy the address, and once again, we'll add it. And as you'll see, it's already been added. For other networks, such as the Binance Smart Chain, the Avalanche Network, or Phantom, simply switch over to the network that you'd like to use. We'll just click on Avalanche real quick and follow the same steps, but with the tokens based on that chain. In this case, we'd have something like CRA, Krabata, or Treasure Under Sea, or Pizza Game. And that's going to wrap it up for the tutorial today. So don't hesitate to let me know in the comments about any crypto projects or tutorials that you'd like to see me tackle. And once again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell for future updates. Until then, take care.